Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Light green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, orange color, violet color, green color, brown color, pink color, light green color. A for ant. B for bat. C for cat. D for dog. Yellow color. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. Violet color. H for horse. I for igloo. Z for Zeus. K for kite. Pink color. L for light. M for monkey. N for necklace. Green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rain. Brown color. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for vase. W for watermelon. C green color. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.